Our reporting capabilities got a powerful makeover. Today, we're excited to showcase the new and improved report section, your central hub for you to see, manage, and download all the reports you created from either scan results, scans, or findings. Before this update, users faced two key issues. First, reports were generated synchronously, meaning you had to stay on the same page until the report was ready.
Wait a bit, and your report should be downloaded. There you have it.
But now, we've made things easier. With just a click, you can generate the report and we'll notify you when it's done. Here's an example of the notification you'll see. So, no need to sit around waiting anymore. And secondly, larger reports occasionally got stuck during the generation process. We've worked hard behind the scenes to reduce these issues, so now your large reports are more reliable and ready from the first try. Another improvement is the automatic storage of all of your reports for 1 month. This way, you can download your reports whenever you need, without the hassle of regenerating them. We make sure they're all in the right place, the report section. You also have full control. You can delete reports at any time. If not, they'll automatically be removed after 30 days. Additionally, you can also dive deeper into our advanced reports features like templates, custom reports, and white labeling. You'll be able to check out more about these features in our upcoming onboarding video. So, what are you waiting for? Explore the new report section today and enjoy a smoother, more efficient reporting experience with Pentest-Tools.com.